Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OUKITEL WP23 and let me share with you how to enable the developer options on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the About phone. Now let's scroll down to localize the build number, which is at the very bottom of the list, and now we have to keep tapping on it until we will see that we are in the developer mode. So now let's go back and enter the system. Here we've got the developer options, so let's tap on it. And as you can see here, we've got plenty of advanced settings which we can customize. So for example, we can show notification channel warning, we can show view updates, change the window animation scale, show surface updates, visual feedback for tabs, options which are connected with the networking, etc. So basically everything works the same, just like in the regular settings. So if you've got the option with the switcher, just tap on it to activate the feature, tap on it again to turn it off, and the same if you've got the options without the switcher, simply tap on them to open more options to choose from. If you're done with customization of developer options, you can always turn them off just by tapping on the switcher at the top. And as you can see, most of the options will be inactive, and after getting back you can see that the developer options simply disappeared. But of course, no worries, you can customize them again. Just go back to the build number step and keep tapping. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.